How to clear YouTube watch history. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn how to clear or delete your YouTube watch history on both iOS and Android devices. Whether you want to remove embarrassing searches, maintain privacy, or declutter your watch history, follow the simple steps. It's easy to clear a specific video or the entire list with just one click. First, ensure that you have the latest version of the YouTube mobile app installed. Open the app and log into your account for which you want to clear your watch history. Then go to the Library tab by tapping on your profile picture icon. In the History section, you can remove a specific video by tapping on the three dots and selecting Remove from Watch History. Or to clear the entire watch history, tap the three dots at the top right and choose Clear All Watch History. Keep in mind that clearing your watch history will affect your recommendations on the homepage, as YouTube uses this data for personalized suggestions. If you're sure you want to clear your watch history, select the option and follow the prompts to complete the process. That's it. You have successfully cleared and removed your YouTube watch history on mobile. This is how you can clear YouTube watch history. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.